the various opportunities that the society they represent provides its members, and the numerous contributions, both technical and non-technical, made for the betterment of the student community and the society as a whole. Let me now invite the student representatives of the respective societies and affinity groups to enlighten us about the various contributions they have made to the technical community and how membership in society and affinity groups help provide improved exposure and opportunities to students. So firstly, I welcome Mr. Suraj V. Nambudiri, Student Representative, IAIEPL's Joint Chapter, IEEE Kerala Section, to shed some light on the various benefits, opportunities, and historic achievements made by the chapter. Over to you, Suraj.
Thank you, Ganga. So, actually, I am unable to view the presentation. It's saying that starting to share the content. And it's not.
Yes.
Thomas, can you share that again, your screen?
Thomas, can you hear us?
Yeah, Suraj, now you can start sharing it.
Sorry
Suraj,
for the
sorry
inconvenience.
for the
So we had a
inconvenience.
technical glitch. So we had a
Yes.
network issue. So we will have a backup ready. So we'll share it within a minute.
Sir, should I share? Need to share this slide?
Okay, if you can share so that we will rectify it. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Do you share, Suraj?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, so is my slide visible?
No, only half of the PPT is visible.
Oh, okay. Uh, 1 second. I will.
Sure.
Suraj, to your left, there will be a magnifying glass, I guess. Maybe you can.
Uh, Sir, actually, I'm sharing from the browser, sir. I will do that.
Okay.
Okay, if you give me one moment, I can fix it right now.
You can start, Suraj.
Hello, Suraj.
Sorry. Actually, my
Ah.
mic was muted. I was.
Okay, the screen is visible now. You may
Yeah.
start.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me start then. Yeah. Okay. So, good evening all. So, thank you IEEE Link and IEEE Kerala Section for providing this opportunity. So here, so now most of you are now an IEEE member. So what's next? So there are many societies under IEEE, and as a student representative of IEEE IEEE PLS Joint Chapter Kerala, I'll be discussing about the benefits and opportunities of IEEE IAS, IES, and as well as PLS. So next slide, please. No. Hello.
Thomas.
I hope it's visible
Oh,
now, Suraj.
yeah. It's
Please let me know.
Yeah, actually, there's some glitch now.
Is it okay now?
Yeah, now it's okay.
Sorry for that.
Yeah, so here we first will be discussing about the IEEE IAS, that's the Industry Applicant Society. So the Industry Applicant Society, the vision of the IEEE IAS is the IEEE Industry Applicant Society will be a world leader in the advancement of science and technology, linking theory and practice in the application of electrical and electronic systems for the benefit of humanity. So the name itself states that if you are an IAS member, you can and if you are interested in the topics of the electrical and electronic systems industry, like the macro electronic components, so if you want to learn about that, you can be an IAS member. And next slide, please.
Suraj, please let me know the slide is visible.
Yeah, now it's visible. Yeah, so we'll coming on to the mission. Now the mission states that the IEEE IAS enables the advancement of theory and practice in the design, development, manufacturing, and application of safe, sustainable, reliable, smart electrical systems, equipment, and services. So these are the vision and mission of IAS, and since the mission and mission are simply means like it's written in the simple language, so that an IEEE member can easily understand like how we can take like how beneficial while taking the IAS membership. Yeah, next slide, please. This one, next one. Yeah, so these are the benefits of being an IAS member. So the first one is the informative meetings and seminars and conferences. So like every year, IAS used to conduct many conferences, annual meetings and seminars. And one of the main thing is the IEEE IAS annual meeting, which will be going to conduct, and it's the it's the upcoming event. And in that, the main aspect is that the awardees of the chapter and chapters and membership department, that is the IAS CMD awards, awardees are awarded in that IAS annual meeting. And the below mentioned points are the conferences which are organized by the IAS, and some of these conferences are the collaborative events, collaborative conferences, like and other societies also contribute to the conferences, and these are the name of the conferences given. So if you have any search paper, or if you have any projects and you are on the stage of the preparing a research paper, yeah, you can approach these conferences for that. Yeah, and the second one is the valuable professional publications. So IAS provides public when if you are an IAS member, so they will provide you publications that will be mainly available as a soft copy in the IEEE Explore digital library, or they will mail you bi-monthly so that you will receive it, and you can read those magazines and get an idea about the topics related to IAS. So, also they used to update the updates the latest technologies in the industry aspects in the electrical and electronic systems. And yeah, it's benefit for a benefit for an IAS member, and it's also available as a hard copy. Yeah, so the third one is the like it's a bit higher topic is that it's a chance to advance your industry. So the opportunity to personally contribute to the betterment for your industry is a key IAS member benefit. Like if you have for an industry basis, the IAS benefits a lot because it has some industry standards. Which will in all the details regarding this is given in the website, so you can refer it. Next slide, please. Yeah, so for more information, you can visit this website, ias.ieee.org, and there you can find many sections in that. Yeah, so next we'll be discussing about the Industrial Electronic Society, that is the IES. Next slide, please. Yeah, so regarding the IES, so the this year the IEEE Industrial Electronic Society recognizes its 71st chapter and 71st anniversary. So this chapter has been found 71 years ago. So this Industrial Electronic Society, through its members, encompasses a diverse range of technical activities devoted to the application of electronics and electrical sciences. If you compare with IES and IES, like yeah, in a first set we think that yeah, these are same, but in some aspects they are different. So these technical activities address the latest development in intelligent and computer control systems. So mainly this IES deals with the macro electronic components in industrial basis. Next slide. Yeah, so this is the vision of IES. So the vision of IES to advance global prosperity by fostering technological innovation, enabling members, carriers, and promoting community worldwide. Yeah, next slide. So these are the IES member benefits. These are the key benefits. The details, all this will be given in the websites. It has technical committees, conferences. As mentioned in IES, similarly, IES also has its conferences, publications, SNYP, that is Student and Young Professionals, Industry Forum, and Multimedia. Next, please. Next slide, please. Yeah, so for more information, you can refer this website and get a detailed idea about what exactly is IES. And also, IES is also providing a free membership for this year as part of the 71st chapter anniversary, 71st anniversary. Next. So the third one is the IEEE Power Electronics Society. So it has a tagline, powering a sustainable future. Next slide. Yeah, so the vision of the Power Electronics Society, the society's name itself states that that's the Power Electronics, and throughout the society, if you refer the website of the society, throughout the reading, you will hear the same word again and again. That is the Power Electronics. So upholding the vital scientific and educational aspects of power electronics and its application. That is the mission, and keeping. Sorry.
Can everybody else go on mute, please? Thank you.
Go on, Suraj.
Please go on, Suraj.
Yeah, sorry, I got muted. So next
Sorry,
slide,
sir.
please. Next slide.
1 minute, Suraj.
Yeah. Previous slide, not this one. Yeah, the mission part. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So regarding this Power Electronics Society, the main aspect is the IEEE PLS Day. On every year, June 20, IEEE Power Electronics Society recognizes that day as IEEE PLS Day because on that day, in June 20, 1986, the Power Electronics Society operated in a full-fledged way. And also on that day, the society encourages its student members to actively participate in the contests organized by the society or the chapters or the student branch chapters. And yeah, they have the two main contests, that is the photo contest and the diversity contest. And this year from Kerala section, 2 SBCs got cash prizes for the photo contest and the diversity photo contest. And next slide, please. Yeah, no, the previous slide, the member benefits, please. Before the IEEE PLST. Yeah, so these are the PLS member benefits. Like it has technical committees, conferences, publication standards, distinguished lecturer program, PLS resource centers, and student and young professionals. So these three societies have a common member benefits. But if you need to find out a detailed study about these three societies, you just go to the website of these three societies and get a detailed idea about that. Yeah, go to the last slide, please. Yeah, so you can visit the website ieeepls.org and get an idea what exactly the society is and be an IEEE PLS member. So thank you all for this. Thank you.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Suraj, for that precise but powerful briefing. So up next, I welcome Mr. Joseph George, student member and coordinator, Circuits and Systems Society, IEEE Kerala Section, to enlighten us about the important initiatives undertaken by the society and also of the various benefits CA Society provides its members. Over to you, Joseph.
Can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah. So unfortunately, I'm not okay. Yeah, you can see the slide now. Okay. Are the slides present?
Yes, Thomas, next slide, please.
Is the slide changed?
No, just a moment, Joseph.
Hello, Ganga. Uh,
Hello?
hello, Ganga, are you there? I'll try presenting if there is an issue.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
I think
Joseph,
Shankar sir is
yes, Shankar sir is presenting. Joseph, can you view the screen? Hello, Joseph.
Dear organizers, hi Ganga.
Hello.
This is Jayati. Yeah, I just have one little suggestion because we want to finish on time. So it would
Yeah.
be great if you allow like the speakers to present because they will know when to go to the next slide and it would be quick. Like you can talk to the other people and see if they're comfortable with it. Because
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
I think this is taking too long and we wouldn't be able to complete it by 8 or so.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for the suggestion.
Joseph is there.
Sir, I think Joseph is facing some network difficulty.
So shall we move to the next slide? So
Is Krishnapriya, are you here?
Yes, I'm audible,
Yes.
right?
Yeah, you are audible.
So, do I have to present the screen?
No, sir, will you be presenting?
it's coming, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we
So,
have Miss Krishnapriya Boban, Technical Coordinator, IEEE Communication Society Kerala Chapter, to share the key benefits that ComSoc offers its members and also about the countless technical advancements it has pioneered. Krishnapriya, over to you.
thank you so much, Ganga. And okay, I'll start. My name is Krishna Priya, and I'm the technical coordinator of IEEE Communication Society Kerala Chapter. And sorry for the video. My with some issue with my bandwidth, the audio and video can't go together. Sorry for that, Ganga. So I'll
It's okay,
just
please go
start
ahead.
over. Okay. I'm handling this session where you will get to know about the IEEE Communication Society. So now let's quickly see the mission and vision of the society. There are many students among us who are really enthusiastic towards the research, application, education in the field of like IoT, telecom, radar, this wireless communication standards like 2G, LG, 2G, 3G, and LTI technologies, and various other technologies in the field of communication and network. So, this society for those enthusiasts. And the mission of the society is just to impart this to the global technical, this among the global technical community. So now let's quickly see what are the ComSoc benefits, ComSoc student benefits. Okay, so let's start with the funding benefits. We have ComSoc student travel grants. Travel grants is where you will just, while the time comes, you will just have to register for it. You will be funded, and you will get a chance to to attend the global conferences, competitions, events in and around the globe. Okay, so yeah, next about the ComSoc student competitions. It's basically the project competition where you will compete with the student team across the globe, and you will even get a chance to win about 2000 US dollars. And there are like plenty of scholarships, awards provided for these student members. Okay, next, yeah, the the networking opportunities. Like, take it from me, it's some like trait of IEEE where you will get to meet experts, practitioners, and here in the society you will have a chance, you will get a chance to meet the domain experts, practitioners, and etc. Okay, apart from this global benefits you will get, there are many, you will get the local student branch, you will get a chance to attend the local student branch activities, section activities, region activities where you will gain your knowledge. uh, you can even bag prizes after winning competitions and all, like, uh, and yes, we have IEEE ComSoc School Series where you will get to learn about new technologies and all. And here comes the interesting part of student benefit, which is student membership is only for like $1 annually. Okay. Now let's see the benefits. You'll the benefits you will get from the IEEE Communication Society Kerala chapter. Okay, you will be you will be getting a seed fund of about $60 for the new initiatives or for the member development activity, and you will get you will get to know more about this once you start a student branch in your campus. Okay, okay. Let's see the flagship events conducted by the IEEE Council Kerala chapter. We have S-Coach, which is a quiz competition, which is to be which will be there every month, which needs an individual participation. And at the final, there will be final round of S-Coach where you can back this much prize worth, where you can see that on the screen. Okay. And the next one is Procom, which is a project competition. If you have a team, if you have an idea, go for it and back the price. Like you have a price worth, you will even win a price worth of like US 435 US dollars. Okay, and grade 7, this is for beta graduates. Yeah, yes. Now it's about IEEE Council Kerala Chapter Awards. If you show your exemplary participation in ComSoc activities, your volunteering in activities, we are considering you for this. So that's about the benefits from the Kerala chapter. And with a quick note, I'll conclude this. I would like to say that this Exicom team, this Kerala chapter Exicom team, and the student branches across the state as family, work together to successfully embody the vision and mission of this society. So thank you. That's about the Comsec Society. Thank you, Bhagya, for this opportunity and the team for helping me convey this. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Krishna Priya, for those valuable
Great.
insights and
Excuse me.
those. Hello. Move on.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Joseph. I was supposed to take the presentation on IEEE CAS. I'm very sorry. There's an audio problem.
It's okay.
Can I? Is it okay if I can?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. Very sorry, guys. Okay.
Joseph,
Okay, so
please
we
be
have-
fast as well.
Yes, I'll be. Yes. So, good morning, guys. So welcome to the presentation on IEEE Circuits and Systems Society. Next slide, please. So, next slide, please. So the mission of IEEE CASS is to foster technological innovation and excellence in fundamentals, emerging directions, and application of circuits. It is to make ready the systems for the benefit of humanity through an interdisciplinary community. Next slide, please. Next slide. Yeah, thank you. So the vision of IEEE CAS is to promote circuits and systems knowledge. So that is through an interdisciplinary community, and it is to be universally recognized for providing and leading solutions to the UN Sustainable Development Goals. So what we want is a contribution to the sustainable development. Next slide. So what or who is IEEE CASS meant for? So it's for those who are interested in the various aspects of circuits and systems. That is, if you're interested in design, the theory, the tools, architecture, and analysis of circuits and systems, this is for you. Now, it is, as I said before, this is to contribute to the future of circuits progress and the sustainable development. As you all know that electronics plays a very important role in the sustainable development and in clean energy sources. So going on to the next slide, please. Yeah. So what are the benefits of being a member? So nobody does anything for free, nobody gets anything for free. So what are the benefits here? So the number one benefit is that there's a networking circle. So the network that you get here is very essential because say that you want to attend a conference that you're interested in. IEEE CASS gives you that access, and it helps you share information, learn new things, and get to know about the stuff that is happening in the circuits and system world. Now, what about the conference? So the conferences are the most happening places. This is where people brainstorm. This is where people bring about their ideas. So this is where you can learn a lot of stuff. And you also receive exclusive access. You get free e-access to the proceedings of the conferences. You get discounts on the conference fees. So next slide, please. Okay, now what else do we have? We have a resource center. This offers educational resources to the members free of charge. So this, let's say you have a doubt in something that is not accessible free of charge. IEEE CAS will provide you that exactly. And if you go to the second one, right now is IEEE data port. It gives you a storage of about 2 TB. Where you can store up your data sets, and it gives you access to read your articles, insights, and data sets, and it's all included within the membership. And the last one is the newsletter. So newsletter keeps you updated, and it informs you about the latest innovations, the latest updations, everything that you need is provided through the newsletter. So just to reiterate that, it is networking, conferences, resource center, IEEE data port, and the newsletter. Now let's go to the last slide. This slide, it shows the benefits of being a student member. Because most of us are students here, I just want to just push and just expand on that a little bit. Because this offers special scholarship opportunities. And there are some student travel awards through IEEE CAS's conferences. That is like they give you a grant that is about $1,500 if you're selected, if you're, let's say you make a project that is called upon and that is appreciated, they will call on you to come and present it on the conferences. So you will get a grant of $1,500 if you do that. Then there are special student discounts on the CAS conference and workshops. So all workshops, the conferences, there is a cut in the fees and there are discounts. So it's easier for you to access as a member. And the next one I want to talk about is the career services and assistance. So all of us, we are all worried about our careers. We want to know how we get placed. What IEEE CASS helps you do is that they provide you that network I mentioned before. That network will help you in forwarding your career opportunities. They will help you in seeking out good companies that are in line with your objectives and in line with your ideas. Then the last one is the young professional functions and initiatives. That is for the graduates. Now, when you graduate from college, you want support, you want to present your ideas. IEEE CAS will be there for you. Irrespective of what position you are, as a member, they will support you no matter what. Now, the last one is the events that took place here. It's the lecture series. There was a lecture series on circuits and systems that took place in TKM College of Engineering. It was attended by a group of professors from NIT and the various university centers and government colleges in Kerala. So now next slide, please. Yes, and there was a startup challenge. So that was basically they wanted to see the creativity of the students here. So this was a challenge offered by them, and you can see those the prize offered there. These are quite huge sums of money. So this is a very attractive prospect. Now we go to the last slide. Next slide, please. So here also you can see that they are unleashing the creative minds. They're unleashing the minds of today to solve the problems of today. So this is what IEEE CAS does. It wants to solve the problems. It wants to contribute to the sustainable development. It wants to help society. So if you are a person who wants to solve the problems that we face today, IEEE CAS is your platform. Can we go to the next slide? So these are the chapters that are available for IEEE CAS all over the world. And next slide, please. Yeah, so you can access and you can get resources from the IEEE, this is their website, IEEE/cas.org. Next one. Next one, please. So thank you guys for your patience. So I just want to reiterate, I just want to conclude. If you're a person who wants to contribute to sustainable development, if you are a person who wants to, if you're a person who's interested in circuits and systems, and if you want to make people's lives easier, IEEE CAS is your place. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Joseph, for that mind-blowing presentation. Mr. Gokul CM, Entrepreneurship and Innovation Coordinator, Computer Society, IEEE Kerala Section, will now let us know of the various opportunities, grants, and scholarships that Computer Society promises its members. Over to you, Gokul.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
I'm really sorry. I can't turn on my video due to some technical issues. So
It's okay.
first
Go
of
ahead.
all, yeah, thank you. So first of all, a warm good evening to everyone present here. I'm Gokul CM, Entrepreneurship and Innovation Coordinator of IEEE Computer Society Kerala Chapter. My main goal is to give you an idea or a brief idea of what Computer Society is. So, next slide, please. As you can see, the logo, Computer Society is celebrating its 75th anniversary this year. So you can understand by that the deep roots that Computer Society have So the main vision of Computer Society is to be the leading provider of technical information, community services, and personal services to all the computer professionals around the world. And our main goal or our mission is to be an essential organization for all the technical communities and computer professionals, for valuing their contributions, for helping them develop in their technical areas, and for helping them apply the technical concepts in a better way so that we could improve the conditions in which we live. So, as we all know, computers are playing a major role in our life nowadays. Even in this pandemic, computers